Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I will be showing you how to find lives on Facebook and also how to start your own live on Facebook. So let's get started right away. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Facebook app. And then from here, there are two ways to reach live videos from other people. You can click the option to watch on the bottom of the screen. And this shows you a bunch of lives. You can scroll through on the top of which one you want to watch. The other way of seeing lives, you can go to the very bottom right with the three little lines, scroll down to see more, and then on the left side it says live videos. You take to the exact same page. Now if you're wanting to create your own live, it's very simple to do. All you need to do is go to the home page on Facebook. From here you want to click what's on your mind on the very top, and then you'll be able to see live video on the bottom of the screen. You just click that, and then you're able to do a live. Simple as that. So, hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to leave a like to the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you guys